There's a seat right there.
Me?
Where at? I'm not.
Right there. Anthony Allen Melton. W31549.
Morning, Your Honor. Kathy Murphy for Mr. Melton, who is present.
Mr. Melton, your name?
Anthony Melton.
For purposes of arraignment?
Waives the formal reading and stands mute, Your Honor.
Not guilty, please. He's going to plead now to unlicensed, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive with the driver unlicensed to be dismissed, correct?
Yes, Judge.
Is that what you want to do?
Yes, sir.
If you do that, the possible penalties are up to $500 fines, 90 days jail. Costs are all of those. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Did you sign, read, and understand and advice of rights form here
Yes, sir.
today? Pardon?
Yes, sir.
You plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights, and there will not be a hearing or a trial of any kind. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right. Is this how you wish to proceed?
Yes, sir.
The charge allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, how do you plead?
Guilty.
On January 26 of 23, were you in control of a 2013 Chevrolet gray in color that was being operated on Western I-75 in the city of Woodhaven, County of Wayne, State of Michigan?
Yes, sir.
Did you allow somebody to drive that was unlicensed, and was that somebody you?
Yes, sir.
Ever had a license?
No,
Why
sir.
not?
Just haven't had the time or the money to do so. And I'm also not mentally ready to get myself into a car and get into all the insurance and stuff like that I do not have the money for.
So you're just gonna drive without insurance and without a license?
Actually, no, I travel by bike. The people that
You
were
weren't this
inside-
night.
Yeah, no, not that night because the people inside the car were drunk and I was the only one sober. And as I told the officer as well. But yes, I do take the charge as it is.
You
and I
can't
will
drive.
be guilty. Yes.
Call an Uber, call a Lyft, call a cab, call a friend, take a helicopter. You can't drive.
Understand.
Has anybody forced you to plead guilty?
No,
Are
sir.
you on probation or parole?
Yes.
For what?
Stuff in the past.
So, Judge, he's on probation for,
Stuff in the past.
well, Judge,
I
obviously,
love
he's,
how when I ask questions, I get like 21% of the answer, 32% of the time, you know that?
so Judge, I think, that's what's important to Mr. Melton
does
is that
stuff in
he's
the
trying
past
to,
mean?
he's trying to move
What does stuff
forward.
in the past mean?
Assaulting officers, charges that I regret doing.
What else?
Kicking out a cop's window, stuff like
Nice.
that.
Oh,
And I
geez,
didn't
okay.
and manic disabilities and stuff like that all played a part.
You understand by pleading guilty, this would be deemed a violation of that probation. That probation could be revoked. You could be imprisoned or incarcerated on that charge as a result of this plea and conviction.
Yes,
You
sir.
still wish to plead guilty?
Yes.
Anybody force you to plead
No.
guilty? Please accept it. All right.
So, Judge, as Mr. Melton alluded to, he's got a lot going on as far as his mental health goes. He's got ADD, ADHD, bipolar disorder, bipolar depression, something called explosive disorder, which I've not heard of before. He is in treatment, Judge, at the Guidance Center in Southgate. He's taking some medication, however, that's not agreeing with him, so he's trying to get that adjusted, but he is taking it. He is compliant. He lives with mom and dad. He's trying to get a job, but his record is not helping. And he does odd plumbing jobs here and there for a family friend. He only was able to get through to 10th grade, Judge, and he is in dire financial circumstances, and I would ask for your mercy with respect to fines and costs. He does have $50 to pay today, Judge. Anything else would be pursuant to a payment plan, I hope.
You gotta get yourself some help.
Yes.
You gotta get more education.
Yes.
You gotta find a job. You gotta see doctors and make sure your medication
Yes.
is properly aligned with you, okay?
Yes, sir.
He's on height of probation through the Third Circuit Court, and he's also on probation through the Farmington District Court, Judge.
Anything else you want to say, sir?
No, sir.
100 fines, 200 costs, 75 victim's rights, $50 justice assessment. 425 or 90 days, you pay $50 now. You pay $50 bi-weekly. I will begin that starting on April the 7th. If you don't have the money, you call the court, we'll go on Zoom, or you can come in here and we'll go on Zoom on or before the due date at 8:30 in the morning. So you have to call if you don't have the money, otherwise I'm gonna issue a warrant. And you don't want that to happen.
Yeah,
You
I know,
understand
sir.
what I'm-
I understand.
Don't come back on one of these. I'm not excited about this. Good luck.
Yep. Thank you, sir.
Do you have another one?